Welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers, and I am Yuri. Today I will show you how to make Mitarashi Dango. Mitarashi Dango is like a mochi and very popular sweets in Japan, and I am using tofu to make this recipe, so it is not too difficult. It's actually easy. So I will show you how to make it today. I am making sauce first. Put on the middle heat. And stir until get thicker. Now I am making mochi part. Now I am making balls. Put balls in the boiling water. And stir a couple times. When it's cooked, the balls start coming up and start floating. Put on the low heat. I hope you enjoy my video and learn something new. If you like my video, please thumbs up and also subscribe my YouTube channel. This is Japanese Cooking Lovers, and I am Yuri. Thanks for watching and see you next time soon.